Hi guys, this is Malfunction, and today I'm just going to be showing you a tutorial on Roblox Studio. So remember to leave a like and subscribe and never miss a video, and let's begin. So basically I'm going to be making something. So if you want to make a 2-player Obby, this is a good tutorial to watch because if you don't know a lot about scripting, I'm close to that. That makes sense. I don't know a lot about scripting, but I know a bit. So if you're trying to make a 2-player Obby, then this is a good tutorial to help with maybe a first level or something, or a level. So what I'm going to do is get 2 parts. Actually, wait, let's just do one for now. I'm just going to change the size of it, but you don't have to. You can do whatever size you want. I'm going to tell you. So I'm going to do 4 by 1 by 4. No, is it 4? I don't know. It doesn't matter. 4 by 1 by 4. Whatever you want. So I'm going to call this P1, maybe. Like part 1. I'm going to anchor it. What I'm doing right now is the properties. You don't have to do. But I would recommend you for this part 1. But yeah. That makes sense. To have can collide off and transparency, I'd say 10.5, and then duplicate that. But this one you're going to make just normal 0 transparency, so we do it. Can collide on, and then I can do it this once again. But this is going to be a button instead. So actually do a website bit here. So 3 by 0.1 by 2 here. So we'll put that right there. And I'm also going to change the colour. Once again, you don't have to change colour if you don't want to. Let's get this bit up. Oh, there we go. So can try off. So this will be called button. Whether if there's no capital letters. Actually, I'm not sure, but I don't think it is. I forgot to change this part too. Now on button we're going to insert a script now. So just script now, local script or something like that. Normal script. Going to put local part actually equals game dot workspace dot p 2. Wait, let me just think. Wait, I forgot like that's P2, so we need to do P1. And then local button equals game dot workspace dot button. So we're going to do button dot touched colon connect. Yep, and we're going to do function. Basically this says if it's touched, then it will do this, whatever's inside of the screen, inside of the function, it will do when it's touched. And by the way, I might do an update of this because I forgot how you make it, so it's only the player that touches it, not like anything else. So I'm going to make that a bit more higher, if that makes sense. So I'll do an updated tutorial when I'm doing a bit more, because there's something I don't know what to put. So we're going to make, so the part dot transparency equals 0, then part dot can collide equals true, and we can wait a few seconds. You can put as many seconds if you want. I'm putting 3, and then you can put part dot transparency equals 0.5 and part dot can applied equals false. So I just actually no, we don't need to say that. Right, so right here. Hopefully this works, and if it doesn't, I'll have to fix it. So button, and then see it turns on, and then it turns back off after just 2 seconds. So that's all you really need to do. Remember to leave a like and subscribe and never miss a video. And if you need help on anything else, I'll see if I can help with it. And I'm also going to show you something else I made. I made a 2-player Obby. Right here. So you spawn there. So basically there's different stages as well. So yeah, I got a script I can show you about the lead stats and stuff. And then there's also like buttons. So if you press go into that, it'll open that up. Basically the first level is what we just did, and then holding that button to open the door, and then there's buttons that this, and then I'll be adding more soon. It's pretty simple, like I just said, but actually it doesn't matter. But yeah, you can see this is really close to the script we just did. But we're doing that's about the door. So yeah, like I said, remember to leave a like and subscribe, and bye.